Remain Chidima Favor. I'm a coach, I'm a digital creator, and an affiliate marketer. So, if you're not into affiliate marketing yet, I wonder what you're waiting for. Run now to my DM and grab the affiliate marketing course and start cashing out online. People are really making a whole lot of money online with affiliate marketing. So when you have the right coach, you're going to succeed. And I am here to help you. Okay? So that is it. Now in this video, I'm going to quickly tell us how we can animate the image we've generated so that it will give us that human feeling. How to animate the photo that we have generated so that it will give us that human feeling, so that we'll make that image to be talking. Okay, so not to waste our time, we'll go to our browser. Okay, so just click on search or type the word did, that's did.com. Just when you put did, give space and write com, finish, did.com. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Can you see d/id? But instead of it to just be thinking of this or make mistake, just write did.com and select the first one there. Now this particular platform will also give you, we have the paid plan and the free plan. So first of all, for you to use this platform properly and enjoy it, and for it to give you results, you need to put your phone into desktop site. This is where you get it. Click on these three links. Click on the three links there. You see this desktop site. If your own is not marked, please click it, let it be marked, so that you'll be viewing things this way. So you can see this is what it's looking like. Now you're going to click on this three hamburger icon here. Click on the three hamburger icon. Okay, then click on login. Remember, we are new, we're trying to sign up, so click on login. It's bringing me to this. Okay, so you see where I'm clicking on. Click on it and then click on login/sign up again. Then continue with Google. Then choose the login method, or you can just put your address. So I will always continue with Google. Then choose the account you want to log in with so that you can see your studio. So I'm going to be using the same account I used for the other ones. You can choose any of your email addresses. So what do you want to use the ID for? Work. I want to use it for work. Next, how would you describe yourself? Okay. Just select anything that suits you here. Anything that suits you. So I'm going to select filmmaker and video editor. Next, The next option, what will you mainly use the ID for? So I'm going to be using it for professional video production. Okay. Next, the business I work for. Marketing, advertising, design. Next, how many people work in your company? And you can just say just me, 2 to 10, 11 to 100. Just make your choice. Make your choice. You can just use 2 to 10. Then done. Done. So you can see here, this particular platform gives 20 free credits. You can see. So, and each video you create is going to be taking 3 credits depending on the size of video. Okay. So now we are going to go straight to create a video here. Now you click on this plus icon to create your video. Click on the plus icon to create your video. So this will come up. Okay. These are presenters that we have on this platform. You can choose any of them that you want to speak for you. If you like any of them, you can select them. But right now, we want to make use of the image that we generated, right? So I'm going to add the image I generated here so that we use it as our own presenter. So just click on add, okay. Then let's see if it will come up. Just go to your gallery and select the image that we just generated. So you can see the first one I downloaded, see this one. So I can decide to use any of them, but this one looks more realistic. This one is looking more realistic. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Just click on it. Still loading. Be patient with it. Okay, so it has loaded, and you can see that. Now the next thing for us to do is to add our voice. Is to add the voice that we generated. Okay, so I'm going to come to this place. See this icon, this upload icon. So you're going to use it to upload your audio. Then click on that to upload that audio, that voice that we downloaded, the one we used chatgpt to generate and then downloaded. So I'm going to be clicking on it now. So I'll just go straight to my downloads. Go straight to my downloads. Okay, I think this is the voice I downloaded because I renamed it so that I can remember it quickly. So if you did not have any voice, you can as well put your script here, but you're going to be using this script option. You can just use it and type in whatever voice you want, type in whatever thing you want, you write up. After typing it, then you can straight away generate it here. But the length of what you're going to be using, the words, will be limited. So that is why it's advisable you generate your voice and then come here to upload it. Okay, so once you've done this, the next is to hit this generate button here so that it will generate our voice. If you want to also test this, you can decide to click on this to test it. So now we're going to generate. You can see It's telling me that for me to generate this, 3 credits will be taken. You see it, 3 credits out of 20. So I'll be having 17 left. So I'll tell them, yes, go ahead and generate. So you be patient for it to generate. Keep waiting, just wait for it to generate. Yes, we've successfully generated your video. Okay, so for us to download, just tap the video at the center. No, sorry, just tap it. Okay, see these the three dots. Touch the 3 dots and then click on download so that it will download to your phone. Okay, so you have downloaded this. So we can decide to see how it will work, right? We can decide to see how what we downloaded looks like. So you can see the video downloaded here and we can play it. So let's.
My dear friend, in the wisdom of age, I'll be brief. Never beg for love should flow freely, a mutual choice between hearts. Your worth and dignity should be cherished, and true love is never one-sided. Cultivate self-love, and let genuine affection come willingly, not through pleading.
Okay, so you can see how that looks. So that's how you can generate your video. So see you in the next class.